All right, so here's what you do with a certificate. So normally what you would do is you would go to the Documents tab here, and then here you would look up certificate and look for a master certificate. Some of them have master certificates, some of them don't. This one does not. But if we were going to another company, so this company, for example, if I did the same thing here and looked up the words type certificate, then what you'd have is this right here. See, it says certificate master. That's what you're looking for. So doing a certificate within a certificate master is you basically go, let's see, let me get back out of that. Let's see here if that's what I want. You can edit. No, that's not what I want. That's actually editing the physical certificate, not the master. So we'll go back out to certificate. So here, actions. You open the editor in the master certificate, and that opens up this box here. So over here are the certificate holders, okay? And here's the information in the certificate. So the things to look out for is make sure this date is the current date, right here. And then you're looking, before you ever send it out, make sure all these dates are current. So 17 to 18. So this is coming up for renewal real quick. And this says 1819, which is what you want. Okay. So those are the key items here. And then when it comes to the certificate holders, over here, you can add a new one here. So you add it, type it in, and then it looks something like this. So you would type in all the data. You can type in the data of these people, and they'll get it. You can also type in the data of our client, and they will get it via email. So you type in all this information, and generally speaking, there will be remarks that go in here. So some of those remarks might be, let me see if I can find one here so I don't have to recreate it. Let's see here. It's not in there for whatever reason. But generally speaking, it would be certificate holder, which is this person, is included as additional insured by blanket endorsement. That's the generic thing. So anyway, so that's how you would add certificate holders. Now getting back to these guys, what you want to do is when you are adding a new document, adding a new master certificate, you go to Documents, Add, and you can add a certificate, and then the accord form here, it says Certificate of Liability Insurance. So, and this is asking us from what policy do you want us to take. So this has an expiration 5/26 of 18. All right, shows inactive. I'm going to pause. Okay, I just renewed the policy offline. All right, so because it need to be done manually. So expiration, you click the one that needs to be done right here. So add certificate, and that's going to create a master certificate. Okay, so it's going to create it in here, and this is all done. Today's date. We look down, and it shows all the coverages, and then $1 million combined single limit. That's the amount. That's done there. So this all looks great. I'm going to save this and then have you add certificate holder and get that done. So I'm saving that. So the master certificate will be in it, and there you go.